What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Well, I'm gonna do something a little different today. Y'all see that? Old school. We're gonna do a Ford Mustang. This is a Mach 1, and it's gonna be very interesting. Check it out. Well, this my I want to introduce you to somebody very special to me. I've known him for a long time. This is Chris Hayes right here. He's a longtime friend, and this is his baby right here. He loved Mustangs. He always been a Ford guy. Well, Chris, can you tell me a little bit more about your car and what got you interested in, liking cars, especially Ford Mustangs?
From long back, if I can remember, I've liked Mustangs. I'm not sure why they appeal to me so much, more than others. And then my oldest brother had a 71 Mustang. I remember riding it as a kid. It left an impression. I loved riding it. I loved the shape, the fenders, the dash. It's just the early impressions. I've always had a fondness, especially for 71 223s.
Awesome, man. Hey, you got a beautiful example right here, man. I know you got a story behind it, but hey, I appreciate you, giving me a ride in your car today, and we're gonna have some fun.
Meaning to just.
Well, Chris, this is such a beautiful car, man. It really is. Out here enjoying this nice, beautiful day. It's Father's Day weekend. See a lot of nice cars out here. People enjoying this nice weather. But man, this car is very unique. Even though I'll be honest, I know I'm not like big on Mustangs, but I do respect them because they are a unique type of car from Ford Motor Company. So yeah, I know it's an all-American, muscle car. I know it's been around since the mid-60s, but it's crazy how Ford continued to produce this car to this day, and it still represents what America is all about. That's true, that's like, Ford right now, it's the only car they make, an actual car is the Mustang. Like, a lot of their lineup, they kind of went away from cars. They more focus on trucks and SUVs now. So it's cool that Ford still make the Mustang today. But your example right here, this 1972 Mach 1, and may I ask you, what's so special about Mach 1? What does this represent?
The Mach 1 was supposed to be a performance model. In reality, though, I mean, you couldn't get a 6-cylinder in a Mach 1, but you could get some pretty wimpy V8s. So you can criticize it. You can say a lot of it's a sticker package, but you could get all the biggest engines.
Oh, okay. Wow, bumpy.
Yeah. There was a handling package that went along with it. But in reality, mostly the Mach 1, at least in this time period, was an image package, honestly. Because the way Ford did things back in the early 70s, late 60s, unlike today, you didn't have to get a Mach 1 to get the biggest engine or the most performance. So
right.
This one in 72, the emission laws and all those things were clamping down.
Yeah, the emission stuff, right? That's what's crazy back then.
Yeah, the big blocks, at least in the Mustangs, they were no longer available. That's
that period when the engines had to go smaller, starting to go smaller, and then you had those emission control devices before 74.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this one was ordered with the most performance you could get.
Oh, okay.
In 72. It had the 351
this when the original Grabber Blue came out, around this time period. Okay.
Correct.
It's a beautiful, unique color in its own right.
Yeah, color quite nicely.
Yeah, this white interior is beautiful.
So that's what drew me to this particular car was it pretty much had it all. It had a good color combo, had a good interior, and it had the best engine you could get in a four speed.
Oh, okay. So at that time period, was it, you know, if you want a performance-oriented Mustang, this was the go-to car, the Mach 1. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Awesome.
Anything like this.
Like you said, 4-speed car. It's a beautiful white interior. And this Grabber blue color, it's just such a beautiful color. It really is. Just seeing it in person, it just don't do justice seeing the pictures. You just gotta look at it in person. It's a beautiful color. Yes, indeed. I just love how, you know, you got these old school gauges for an old school radio, you know. That's how it was back then. You know, this is how old school is gonna get.
Alliance put a Ford AM/FM.
Oh, it had an 8-track,
It
okay.
had an 8-track originally. It was ordered with the premium sound system, meaning it had door speakers, basically, is what that gave you.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But no rear speakers, just a door speaker and a dash speakers.
Oh, that's it. But, you know, that's all creature comforts you're gonna get, even though this at the time this was a performance oriented vehicle, so
Right. Yeah.
is it you get some or none?
Yeah, your premium sound system isn't anywhere near what today you get.
Yeah. 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is a beautiful car. This color, seeing it in pictures, don't do justice. The gray and the blue accent, the blue with the gray accent, even the gray spoiler, or silver spoiler, my fault, the silver spoiler. It's the color contrast, it goes with the car. Well, I'm enjoying this ride along. As y'all can see, I'm standing behind the Ford Mustang Mach 1. This car, hey, I'm very impressed with it. It's just a gorgeous car to look at, and this is how it was back in the day in the early 70s. You know, this is how they was rocking and rolling. Well, Chris, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your car. I enjoy myself, man. And hey, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You know, it's just a beautiful day to be out in any car, really, but especially a Ford Mustang Mach 1, an old school muscle car. And hey, I'm having a fantastic time, and I know you are.
Me too. Yep.
But well, everybody, I'm about to go ahead and wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm signing off, and you take it easy.